Hi guys, my name is Felix Tiun Huaseng from Academy Sem4 Personal BTech Level 5 Higher National Diploma HND in Electrical and Electronic Engineering. Today I will make a presentation for subject Managing a Professional Engineering Project by Madam Junaina. My presentation title is IoT Pet Feeder. The Internet of Things or IoT refers to a thousand of items that are now connected to the Internet worldwide. Because of the introduction of super-cheap computer processors and the huge range of wireless networks, anything from the medication to an airline may be considered a part of IoT. The interface and addition of sensors for all these different things brings a sense for technology to devices that are otherwise useless, so that they can send data in real time without including human. A pet feeder is actually an animal feeder that feeds animal at a set time, whether the individual is absent or otherwise involved in water or food by necessary. The pet feeder involves a frame, a feeder bowl with plastic, a timekeeper, a bowl cover, and a lock device that protects the entire unit. The time was given and scheduled feeding activity and start with a voice record device. The temporary software choose to index the feeder cover to allow the animal to access that food been given. This can be achieved using RF or IR remote time interface or via a smartphone. The care of pet is responsibility for the owner of the animal. Both animals need to be looked after, and the owner need to take care of them. Any dog cannot monitor and maintain as long as it has food. Any calorie can be consumed on another species. The owner cannot leave the animal on his own. In other words, the problem is the owner has for a while abandoned his pet. In order to overcome the problem, it is important to ensure that the animal remains healthy for continual feeding without involving the owner. Number 1. Animal control its feeding cycle. Number 2. Food is keeping fresh. Number 3. Modification from an existing design. Number 4. Product component. To keep your pet having enough food while you are not around. Number 2. To develop the pet feeder system. Number 3. To study the pet feeder system interface with Arduino app. Number 4. To analyze the connector between Arduino and device through the IoT module and functionally for the feeder system. The design was divided into a layout that involving a machine part to open and close the feeding jar while the RFID pet feeder was built. This includes of a circuit diagram interact with other feeder dispenser control component following the receiving of an RFID signal. Finally, IoT is a device and hardware for network coding. IoT is clearly a perfect way to obtain info. SOP data center network are at moment the best solution for handling a number of home devices and equipment. A few sensors are used for monitoring different animal conditions such as the IR sensor for food on the tray. It identifies are confirmed by an RFID tag included in the pet necklace. Arduino acts as a portal for the processing and accessing of information to cloud storage through contact list or other electronic device.